Hey. Alright. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm filming some of these birds. If you followed my live stream, it's probably going to be like a week ago from when you're watching this.
If you shoot some birds, you have to do a video of this because you just kiss the wings and showing the jackson and then put them in the bowl and then cook them.
That's exactly what you got to do. I don't know. She learns like super fast. But anyway, so what we do on these, we just pop the breast out and take these wings and just turn them on 180, maybe a little more than that, and they'll just crack and you can pull them right off. And then if you'll go between their legs, there's a little point at the bottom of the breast hits, and you can just push through that skin and split that open right there and just roll it out, and then we just skin that breast. And you can leave it just like this right here, and depending on how you're going to cook it, or right down that bone right there, you can just kind of fillet that out and get 2 chunks of meat, like if you were going to do kebabs or grill them or whatever, or wrap them. But that's about it for this video. I'll have another video of us cooking some of these in a couple of weeks. Put that up, and yeah, just get them like that, and then we throw them in a bowl, rinse them off a little bit, and then keep them in some salt water till we're ready to cook them. That's about all there is to it, though. Thanks for watching.